Hey there, we're so glad you're volunteering with us. I want to show you how to access the Leadership Resource Portal that contains key documents, plus some extra tools and resources to help guide and support you. This was created to give volunteer leaders one easy spot to find everything you need to thrive in your new role. Let's take a look. From the bayeast.org home screen, click on My Bay East portal in the top right corner. Enter your email and password to log in. Once on your profile page, click on the My Participation tab. Under Meeting Resources, select Leadership Resources. Beneath the Resource Library folder, choose Governing Docs to access documents such as our corporate policies and procedures, also our association bylaws. Open the Leadership Training folder to view previous trainings on topics like antitrust or meeting management. Or visit the Resources folder to access additional resources such as the Bay East Housing and Public Policy Statement, a list of Bay East staff, or our Volunteer Leadership Agreement. You can click a document to view it and even download it to your computer. And that's it! You now have quick access to your Bay East leadership resources. We'll be keeping this section fresh and up to date, so feel free to swing by anytime you need a quick refresher or some helpful information. Got questions about anything in here? Don't be shy. Reach out to your staff liaison or contact Kelsey Paredes at kelseyp@bayeast.org. Happy browsing!